Damas y caballeros, bienvenidos a la Guerra de las Galaxias en concierto. Welcome to Star Wars in Concert, a celebration of a grand adventure that spanned 3 decades and 6 extraordinary films. Today, you'll see George Lucas's breathtaking images and hear the legendary music of John Williams as you have never experienced them before, as we retell our epic story. To take us on this adventure, please welcome the Royal Philharmonic Concert Orchestra and Choir, under their conductor, Maestro Dick Grosset. As some of you may know, our story begins a long time ago. For thousands of years, the galaxy was governed by a